Hello everyone. Look at the question number 35. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. If the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term of the progression is 1:3, then find the 13th term of the progression. So here the formula for the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So here a is the first term and d is the common difference. So the given sum of the first 6 term of an arithmetic progression is 42. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ S6 is equal to 42 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ S6 42 is equal to here n by 2 is 6 by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into t. So is equal to 42 is equal to 2 ones are 2 3s are. So into 2a plus 5t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here 42 divided by 3. So ನೋಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2a plus 5d. So 3 ones are, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 14 is equal to 2a plus 5d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 1. So next ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, if the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term of an progression is 1:3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So here the formula for the nth term of an progression is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ratio of the 10th to 30th term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a10 divided by a30 is equal to 1/3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 10th term in terms of a and d, so a plus 9d divided by a plus 29d is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ 1/3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3 into a plus 9d is equal to 1 into a plus 29t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3 into a is 3a plus 27d is equal to a plus 29d. So like terms ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3a minus a is equal to 29d minus 27d. So 3a minus a is 2a is equal to 27d minus 29d into minus 27d ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ a is equal to t ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a equal to d ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ t ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ a equal to d or d equal to a ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 is 14 is equal to 2a plus 5d so substitute a is equal to d into the equation 1. So we'll get 14 is equal to 2a plus 5d is equal to a. So 14 is equal to 7a. So a is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 40 divided by 7. So a is equal to 2 ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. So d is equal to a equal to d ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು d is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So now calculate the 13th term. So ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ find the 13th term of the progression. Okay, so here we calculated using nth term formula. So here an or an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 13th term, so a 13 is equal to a is 2 plus 13 minus 1 into d is 2. So is equal to 2 plus 12 into 2. So here 2 plus 12 2s are 24. So is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 26 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13th term of the progression is 26. Thank you.